Now let's divide using expanded division. But for these questions, we're going to get remainders in our answer. So first, we have 97 divided by 3. So we can set the question out as we normally do with our divisor on the left. Now, taking the first digit, we have 9 divided by 3. Well, 9 is in the 3 times table, and 9 is 3 times 3, so we can write 3 as the first digit of our answer. So now we subtract and bring down. 9 take away 9 is 0, so we don't need to write anything here, but we do need to bring down the 7. So we have 7 divided by 3. Now the closest number to 7 that's in the 3 times table and that's still less than 7 is 6. And 6 is 2 times 3, so we write 2 in our answer line. But now, when we subtract, 7 minus 6 is 1, and we don't have anything else to bring down, so this 1 tells us that we have remainder 1 in our answer. So 97 divided by 3 is 32 remainder 1. Now 250 divided by 6. Well, if we take the first digit, 2 is less than 6, so that tells us that we can take the first 2 digits together and divide 25 by 6. Now the closest number to 25 that's in the 6 times table but is still less than 25 is 24. And that's 4 times 6, so we write 4 in our answer line. Now we subtract and bring down. 25 minus 24 is 1, and we can bring down this 0, so we have 10 divided by 6. Now the closest number to 10 that's in the 6 times table but is still less than 10 is 6, and that's 1 times 6, so we write 1 in our answer line. But now, when we subtract, 10 minus 6 is 4, and that 4, because we don't have anything else to bring down, that 4 tells us that we have remainder 4. So our answer is 41 remainder 4. 195 divided by 8. Again, the first digit is less than the divisor, so we can take the first 2 digits together and divide 19 by 8. The closest number to 19 that's in the 8 times table but is still less than 19 is 16. And that's 2 times 8 is 16, so we write 2 in our answer line. Now we subtract and bring down. 19 minus 16 is 3, and we can bring down the 5, so we have 35 divided by 8. Now the closest number to 35 that's in the 8 times table, but that's still less than 35, is 32. And because 4 times 8 is 32, we write 4 in our answer line. But now, when we subtract, 35 minus 32 is 3. We don't have anything else to bring down, so that 3 tells us that we have remainder 3. So our answer is 24 remainder 3.